In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ticktick with Notion and sync your tasks seamlessly. We'll walk through where to find the integration in Ticktick, how to authorize Notion, the two ways you can connect, how to map your properties so everything lines up, and what to expect once syncing is turned on. By the end, your Ticktick lists and Notion databases will stay in step without extra manual work. Start in Ticktick. Open Settings from your profile picture. On desktop, go to Import and Integration and select Notion. On mobile, open Settings, then Integrations and Import, and choose Notion there. This is where Ticktick manages connections to other apps, and Notion will appear as an option you can configure. Click Add Integration. A Notion window will prompt you to sign in and grant permissions. Choose the correct workspace if you use more than one, and authorize access. You can limit the integration to only the pages or databases you need, which keeps things tidy and secure. This permission lets Ticktick create or update items in Notion so your tasks can move both ways. Next, decide how you want to connect. If you're new to Notion or want a clean start, pick Use a Template. Ticktick will create a fresh Notion database pre-linked with the right properties, including title, date, and description, so you don't have to build them yourself. If you already have a Notion setup you love, choose Select Pages. This lets you point Ticktick to an existing database so the integration fits into your current workspace. Now map your properties. Choose which Ticktick list, like Inbox or Work, should sync with which Notion database. Then match fields so data lands in the right place. For example, map status in Ticktick to a status property in Notion with values like to do and done. Map priority to the priority. Priority property with values such as high and medium. Ensure title, date, and description line up with their corresponding Notion properties. If your property names differ, select the closest match so the meaning stays consistent. When everything looks right, confirm the integration to start syncing. From this point on, tasks added to the chosen Ticktick list will appear in the linked Notion database, and updates, like marking a task done or changing priority, will reflect on both sides. The initial sync might take a moment, especially if you have many items, and it's normal to see updates roll in gradually. Keep both apps open during the first minute or two for the smoothest experience. If something seems out of place, double-check your mappings and settings and make sure you selected the correct database and properties. That's it. Your Ticktick and Notion are now working together so you can plan in one and track in the other without losing a beat.